Are you guys ready for St. Patrick's Day? I know I am with this nail design using cat eye gel and chrome.
So I'm going to start off with 3 very thin coats of black, and the reason why I do 3 thin coats is because I'm going to cleanse off the inhibition layer, and that does contain a little bit of color, but that does not mean that the gel is not cured. But what it does do for me is it keeps everything from moving, so your gels tend to stay put a lot better when there is no inhibition layer for it to slide around on. Now that you don't have to worry about your dots moving, go ahead and get your big dotting tool and apply dots pretty close together, as these are going to become the petals for your clovers. Now get your detailing brush and start dragging those dots towards the center, and each petal is going to resemble a heart. Now I'm using the magnet that was included to shift the cat eye particles around. Apply matte top coat, cure and cleanse. Now with your detailing brush, outline the clovers with Artform Black. Now you don't want to over cure this black art form. I find that the best time to cure it is anywhere between 15 and 20 seconds, and the chrome would love to stick to it. Now, if you happen to cure for beyond 30 seconds, you might have a little bit of trouble with the chrome adhering to that. Apply your top coat and cure that. Now, if you happen to find that the nails are a little lumpy where the chrome is, you definitely want to apply another top coat.